Therapist working with billionaires said they're as miserable as the show Succession makes out, struggling to trust people.
I am surrounded by snakes and
it's a fungus, they think. Benign fungus.
Great title for your memoir.
And for Elon Musk, working all hours cuts out many of the things that make us happy, a very common problem. OpenAI CEO has floated the idea of a universal basic income once AI profits are sufficient, though some say it's a trick.
At OpenAI, we're running the largest basic income study ever, and it's going really well. I'm very convinced it's an important thing. What do we do to find meaning and to spend our time in a fulfilling way? Which, again, I'm optimistic that we can do much, much better than we do today.
It could free people to care for the elderly, solve problems, and be creative. Many artists of all kinds survive on corporate work, but they'd much rather be free to create what they want, and we'd all enjoy more stunning, priceless art like this.